In the fast-paced world of today, who wouldn't appreciate a personal assistant for cleaning? Enter the iRobot Roomba 692 Robot Vacuum, a sleek and intelligent home cleaning solution designed to make your life easier. This review will delve into the features, performance, and unique aspects of the Roomba 692, highlighting why it's not just a vacuum but a smart investment for a cleaner, more efficient home. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Design and intelligence. The Roomba 692 boasts a premium design that seamlessly integrates with your home decor. Its sleek appearance is just the beginning of its smart capabilities. This robot vacuum learns your cleaning habits, adapting to your lifestyle to provide personalized cleaning schedules. Using the iRobot Home app or voice commands through Google Assistant or Alexa, you can effortlessly schedule daily cleaning sessions, eliminating dirt, dust, and debris with minimal effort on your part. Cleaning power unleashed. Equipped with a 3-stage cleaning system and dual multi-surface brushes, the Roomba 692 takes cleaning to the next level. Whether it's carpets or hard floors, this intelligent vacuum excels at loosening, lifting, and suctioning dirt. The edge-sweeping brush ensures no corner is left untouched, making it a comprehensive solution for a thorough clean. Adaptive navigation for seamless cleaning. One standout feature of the Roomba 692 is its adaptive navigation. Advanced sensors allow the robot to navigate under and around furniture with ease, while Cliff Detect prevents accidental falls downstairs. This adaptability ensures that every nook and cranny of your home receives the attention it deserves, contributing to a consistently clean living space. Personalized cleaning for every situation. Imagine a vacuum that not only cleans but also understands the unique challenges your home faces. The Roomba 692, with its dirt detect sensors, identifies dirtier areas like high traffic spots and addresses them more thoroughly. During allergy seasons or pet shedding, the robot vacuum suggests extra cleanings, showcasing its ability to adapt to your home's changing needs. Efficiency and autonomy. The Roomba 692 is designed to provide a daily clean without requiring constant attention. Its auto-adjust cleaning head effortlessly transitions between carpets and hard floors, ensuring an effective clean on any surface. With a runtime of 90 minutes, the vacuum covers substantial areas before automatically docking and recharging, ready for the next cleaning session. Why you need the iRobot Roomba 692. This smart vacuum isn't just a time saver, it's a game changer for maintaining a consistently clean home. Imagine coming home to spotless floors without lifting a finger. The Roomba 692 adapts to your life, understands your cleaning needs, and ensures your home stays clean every day. For those seeking a hassle-free cleaning experience, the Roomba 692 is a must-have. Invest in smarter cleaning, embrace efficiency, and say goodbye to the mundane task of vacuuming. Make your home a cleaner, healthier space with the iRobot Roomba 692. In conclusion, the iRobot Roomba 692 combines cutting-edge technology with practical design, delivering a cleaning experience that goes beyond the ordinary. Upgrade your home and embrace the future of cleaning with the Roomba 692. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.